Okay, what song are you singing?
You Belong With Me.
Okay. Why? Why are you singing this song?
Because I want you.
Because you want to. Okay, why is it not playing?
You didn't press play.
I did. Here you go.
Oh.
You gonna sing it real good for me? Okay.
You're on the phone with your girlfriend, she's upset. She's going off about something that you said. So never get your humor like I do. I'm in the mood, it's a difficult Tuesday night. I'm listening to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never get your humor like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear t-shirts. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find and what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see that I'm the one who understands you, been here almost, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Walk in the streets with you and your worn-out dreams. Let me forget how it often feels. Isn't this easy? You got a smile in a hotel. It's been a while since she brought you down. Really better than that. What you doing with a girl like that? She wears high heels, I wear sneakers. She's cheer captain and I'm on the bleachers, dreaming about the day when you wake up and find what you're looking for has been here the whole time. If you can see, I'm the one who understands you. Being all lost, so why can't you see? You belong with me. Your back all this time, baby. You belong with me. You belong with me. Oh, driving to my house and you hear all my mouth. When you know you're about to cry, I know your favorite songs, and you tell me about your dreams. I know you belong, and you know it's with me. You see, I'm the one who understands you. Been all alone, so why can't you see? You belong with me. At your back door all this time, where you at, oh baby? You belong with me. You belong with me. Belong with me. You ever got touch, baby? You belong with me. You belong with me.
Good job, baby.